New iPhone SE release date and price. When can we expect the release of the iPhone SE 4? Unlike the regular iPhone lineup, Apple doesn't introduce new SE models annually. The most recent iPhone SE hit the market in March 2022, following the second generation SE in April 2020 and the original in March 2016. This release pattern suggests that we might not see the SE4 until at least 2024, and there are even rumors hinting at a potential delay pushing the release into 2025. According to analyst Ming-Chi's February thread, Apple initially aimed for a 2024 launch but has since restarted the process, causing the delay. If Apple is indeed working on a new iPhone SE, there's speculation that it could feature a 6.1-inch screen, aligning with the design of Apple's recent flagship phones. In contrast, the current iPhone SE has a 4.7-inch screen with prominent black bars at the top and bottom, reminiscent of the iPhone 8. The uncertainty lies in which iPhone model Apple might use as a reference for the new SE, if they are indeed working on it. In addition to Qua's 2019 report, other sources like serial leaker John Prosser and analyst Ross Young have suggested a larger screen and a design resembling the iPhone XR. A September 2023 Mac Rumors article also hinted at a modified version of the iPhone 14's chassis for the iPhone SE4, reinforcing the idea that the appearance might be modeled after the iPhone 14. Qua's February 2023 post suggested the possibility of the iPhone SE4 having an OLED screen, a significant upgrade for Apple's more affordable phone. Mac Rumors also supports this claim, reporting that the next iPhone SE will indeed feature an OLED display. OLED screens are known for deeper blacks and better contrast compared to LCD, a technology previously exclusive to Apple's Pro series. To stay up to date with our latest videos, make sure to subscribe and press the notification bell button to get some interesting stuff and upcoming videos. Touch ID or Face ID? The question of Touch ID or Face ID remains unanswered. Mac Rumors suggests that the next iPhone SE will adopt Face ID, contrary to Qua's 2019 report anticipating a smaller notch area without Face ID and Touch ID embedded in the power button. This aligns with Apple's approach in some recent iPad models, incorporating Touch ID in the top button. What about camera, USB-C, and action button? Looking at the camera, USB-C adoption, and the potential inclusion of the action button, the iPhone SE4 might share similarities with the iPhone 15. Reports indicate the switch to USB-C from the Lightning connector, and Mac Rumors suggests the addition of the action button, currently exclusive to the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max. A 48-megapixel single camera is also rumored, similar to the iPhone 15, although the SE4 would feature only one rear camera compared to the multiple cameras on Apple's more expensive models. New processor? As for the processor, the iPhone SE typically adopts the same chip as Apple's most recent flagship iPhone. Qua initially hinted at an Apple-made 5G chip, but later revisions suggested it might be an engineering prototype. Mac Rumors also supports the idea of an Apple-made 5G modem. Apple's acquisition of Intel's modem business in 2019 adds weight to the speculation that it might build its own 5G modems rather than relying on Qualcomm, with expectations of Apple introducing homegrown modems in 2024, according to Qualcomm CEO Cristiano Amon's statement in March. The fourth-generation iPhone SE could potentially bring exciting updates, with leaks, rumors, and reports hinting at advancements in design, functionality, and screen size. The exact details remain uncertain, making it a highly anticipated addition to Apple's lineup, expected either next year or in 2025. What do you think about this budget-friendly iPhone? Share your ideas with us. Thank you for tuning in.